Hello, everybody, and welcome to Trade with Precision free newsletter. My name is Tamar Mehr. Now, our Trade with Precision, we're looking for technical reason to enter into the market. So it doesn't matter which market we're looking at, and it doesn't matter which time frame we're looking at. We're looking at the same technical reason, a multiple reason to enter into an opportunity. Now, lately, nice trend that we had all got broken. Now the market is going sideways. So common markets that I used to love to trade doesn't offer me right now good trading opportunities. But because I can look at a trading strategy that is applicable to any market and any time frame, I can look at different market that I haven't traded in a very long time. And one of them will be the Euro Swiss. Now, I haven't been trading Euro Swiss all through that time that we had the peg between the euro to the Swiss at the 1.2 level. That has been broken. We had the shock of that break. But now let's take a look here at the weekly. The market is in an uptrend. We have a clear series of higher highs and higher lows. So we put another higher low here and looking for the market to continue, break the previous high and give me another higher high. Let's take a look at the monthly on this market, and the market is here on the monthly also in an uptrend. So looking nice and looking quite strong and bullish. Now looking here at the daily, a nice uptrend here on the daily as well. We pulled back into the buy zone and into the strong level of 1.10, rejected that area and currently trading higher. So I like this market and looking for trading opportunities to the long side. We had a steady buying momentum on the daily, on the weekly and on the monthly. So this is one chart that I very much like the look of. The next one is dollar sec. So let's have a look here on the monthly. The monthly is in an uptrend. We had this quite strong consolidation here above this level of 1.2. We finally broke down from it, but now we're rejecting it. So I'm watching this level quite closely. I want to see if this is actually a pullback to test this level from underneath, or is it a rejection of that 8.2 and a continuation of the uptrend. When we look at the weekly time frame, the weekly is in a downtrend. We pulled back into that level, into the sell zone. We are actually moving with quite strong bullish candles, but what I want to see is that we're actually holding above that 8.2 level to see if we can actually have a continuation of the overall uptrend on the monthly. When we look here at the daily, we can see that strong rejection of the low of the 7.9 level. We have strong conversion of the indicators to the upside, and we're currently holding above that 8.2 level. So looking to see if there is could be a pullback into that level, test that level from above, bullish candle and a continuation. However, we have done something similar within the 4 hours into that area, and currently we're holding above it. I like this market. I like it to the upside, but I want to see that we are holding above the 8.2, so I'm watching this level quite closely. Another market that I like and has been fantastic as of late is soybean. So let me show you the market, the opportunity that I'm after. So if we look here on the weekly, we can see that strong level around this area, around the 1060 or thereabout, and currently we're holding above it. We are, however, overextended from the moving averages. We had a really strong push on the weekly. Looking at the daily, nice uptrend, moving averages fanning and in the correct order. We are flat here on the indicators as we broke higher into the next higher high. I'm looking for a pullback into that area. I want to see that this level is holding. Currently, there are pivots here on this level as well. There's a weekly pivot on this area. I want to see a bullish candle in the buy zone and a continuation of the uptrend. From the 4 hours, we're just going sideways. There isn't still a change of trend. The 4 hours is downtrending and then just holding above that level. I want to see a change of trend on the lower time frame that will coincide with a nice bullish candle in the buy zone on the daily. So these are a couple of markets that I really like the look of. Now, look, as an example, I love trading the S&P, But when I'm looking at the S&P right now, and this is just an example, a lot of the market, a lot of the index market looking the same. When we look at it, we can see that we are stuck here in the range. So we came up again in and around this strong level of 2100. We couldn't break above it and we're falling from it, but we're actually holding above this area, the 2040 area. We can see there's a couple of touches on the weekly here as well. You can see it quite obviously on the daily. Do we have a trend here on the daily? We don't. We were in a downtrend, but currently we made a higher low, but haven't yet made a higher high, so we're not in an uptrend. We don't have any trend here on the daily. When we look at the 4 hours, we can see this is pretty much messy. There is no nice trend, there is no clear direction. So I prefer to look for my trading opportunities where there is clear direction, where there is momentum to that market, and it doesn't matter which market it is or how long it has been since I've traded that market. So if you want to know more about how we trade, then please join us on our free webinars. Now this webinar, part of our special webinar series, is actually already running, but you can always register to view the recording. You can see some information about scanning, about trend analysis, candlestick analysis, and also the opportunity for viewing live scanning of the market. The second webinar is going to be the critical trading errors. So there are errors that a lot of new traders are doing, and you know what? It's quite good to be aware of them, to watch yourself and see, am I making the same errors and what can I do to fix those errors so they won't affect my trading. So join us on this webinar. It's going to run today, the 17th of May at 8 p.m. in London, 3 p.m. New York, 5 a.m. Sydney, and 7 a.m. Auckland on the next day. Wishing you a fantastic trading week, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.